The Stanford Library's media player displays audio and moving images that are digitized from an analog source or acquired as digital. The media player displays across all access systems, Perl pages, SearchWorks, Sparklight, and Spotlight. The player can also be embedded into any web page. Let's take a tour of the new media player's design and functionality. Some media may not be accessible in the new media player depending on the rights. There are newly designed access restriction messages that display for citation only, embargo, and location-based media. Media that is restricted to Stanford users will ask users to log in to authenticate prior to viewing and retain an indication of the access rights using an S icon in the list of media objects in the media content panel. Along the top right bar of the media player, there are two icons. The first icon on the left is to share and download the media. Clicking Share will provide a link to the Perl or embed code to copy. Clicking Download will open a modal with a list of files available for download. In some cases, there will be no files available to download due to the access rights of the material. The icon on the right is an accessibility icon. Clicking on this icon opens a modal, which instructs the user on how to make a request for a transcript or other accommodation to view the media. In this case, there is already a transcript available for download, so instructions on how to download the transcript display. On the left-hand side of the media player is a companion window that contains 4 key panels. An information panel that includes metadata for the media object. The metadata that displays depends on the mods record for the digital object in the Stanford Digital Repository. The metadata also displays on the object's Perl page. A media content panel that contains all the digital objects visible to users that make up the media object and may include audio and video files and images of media. Clicking on the images of the media shows the image in the media player, and users can use the zoom in and out buttons on the upper left side to see details in the photos more clearly. A transcript panel that displays a transcript if the media object contains a web BTT caption file. The transcript panel contains an auto-scrolling and interactive transcript. The transcript can be used simultaneously with captions. If there are multilingual captions, the user can select which language should display. And a rights panel that contains information about the rights of the media, including a use and reproduction and copyright statement when present. To play the media, press the play button. Along the bottom of the player, there are icons for adjusting the volume, selecting closed captions, using the picture-in-the-picture functionality, and making the media full screen. Selecting captions enables captions to appear in the player. Users can also select caption settings to change the appearance of caption display. These are the key functions of our new media player. Thank you for listening. We welcome your feedback about the new player. Please use Perl feedback to submit your questions or comments.